Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. A friend had recently given me some rhubarb, so I thought today I would make rhubarb tapioca parfait, which is really just a very quick and easy dessert to make, but it's just so refreshing, particularly when it's chilled in the summertime. So on that note, let's go downstairs and get started. Rhubarb is one of those strange food items that, although a vegetable, is used much like a fruit, and it's often paired with strawberries in pies and crumbles and other types of desserts. You want to start cooking it on medium-high heat with a little sugar, and it'll break down quickly. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat down to medium-low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Whisk the milk and eggs together over medium-high heat until it's lukewarm. Once it's lukewarm, I turn the heat down to medium-low and I mix in the sugar. Because this is designed to be a quick and easy dessert, I used instant or minute tapioca. You want to cook the tapioca on medium-low heat until it is the consistency of thick pudding. Tapioca pudding is one of those wonderful desserts you can have either warm or chilled, but I prefer it cold in this dessert. And now it's time to serve the desserts. I'd like to layer them with alternating layers of rhubarb and tapioca, so every time you dig through, you have both flavors. There are a lot of ideas for garnishing this dessert, but I had made candied lemon peel earlier in the day, so I'm using that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit!